In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The continuation of airstrikes by Afghan forces on military targets along the disputed Duran line. The telephone conversation between Amir Khan Muttaqi, Afghanistan's foreign minister, and Sergei Lavrov, his Russian counterpart. And Pakistani militia target Afghan civilians. Welcome to our 10 news package. It's Saturday, the 18th of Ramadan Mubarak 1447, the 16th of Hud 1404, and the 7th of March 2026. The news details. Around 8:45 a.m. today, Afghan forces once again launched attack using light and heavy weapons on 5 outposts of the Pakistani military regime in the area of Urooj, the district of Pashto province. Based on Mullah Abdul Qudus Makhtoom, the district governor of Urooj, the clashes are still ongoing. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, Afghanistan's foreign minister, held a telephone conversation with Sergei Lavrov, the foreign minister of Russia. In a statement released by the Minister of Foreign Affairs, both sides discussed bilateral relations between Afghanistan and Russia, economic cooperation, and the latest regional incidents. During the call, Mawlavi Muttaqi expressed Afghanistan's position regarding Pakistan's recent aggression against Afghan sovereignty, emphasizing that the Islamic Emirate prioritizes a diplomatic solution to resolve disputes, but reserve the right to defend its people and territory. For his part, Sergei Lavrov expressed concern over the situation in the region and stressed that problems should be resolved through political dialogue. He also stated that Russia is ready to assist in resolving the crisis. The news continuation. Several officials from projects related to treatment of heart diseases met with Mawlavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health of the Islamic Emirate, and presented their challenges, needs, and proposals. Mawlavi Nur Jalal Jalali instructed the relevant departments to review the needs of the projects as soon as possible and take necessary measures to address them. He emphasized that the Minister of Public Health is working to expand cardiac treatment services not only in Kabul but also in other provinces of the country in order to provide better healthcare facilities for citizens. During the meeting, it was also proposed that a joint technical committee be established to better assess the existing problems and expand services. Based on the proposal, a joint committee consisting of representatives from relevant departments was formed to follow up on the expansion of heart diseases treatment services. And ultimately, Mawlavi Mustaqfir Gorbuz, the spokesperson for the governor's office of Khuz province, stated that Pakistani military regime targeted civilian homes in Berkhlu, the area of Gorbuz district. Based on his statement, Afghan forces carried out a retaliatory strike targeting an enemy military fortress in Ghulam Khan area along the disputed line. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.